Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's real. It's really here. We got the air compressor filling up so I can bump the brakes off. And I drove it down here with no real big issues. I mean, no issues at all, really. I just drove down here. There's small stuff like it needs an alignment really bad and whatever else, but I wanted to get ahead on this and, you know, reverse, neutral. I'm gonna roll into it and check out if it's the back end. So if the back end is fine at speed, then it's just the front end, and then I know it. So knowing's half the battle. Then it just needs an alignment and some other stuff, but figure we'll see how it goes. It has some old fuel in it and some 87, so we'll see what it takes on that, and then maybe we'll do 93 tune and a little bit of E85. I have the flex sensor installed, but I don't have it wired into the ECU yet, and I don't have flex fuel, and I have limited time, so we're just jumping straight into some dyno hits. I am curious, as I'm sure a bunch of you are, how it's going to handle wide open shifting. So we're going to put it in drive, and I'm going to do like a 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to go too wild because this one rear rim or tire is not happy at all. So we'll see how that goes. But that's neutral, drive. Okay. I'm logging. We'll see how this goes. Ready? Well, I would say that was a good result.